All right. Time to pipe her in.
Where's the water heater?
Upstairs. I like to install this first since it's in the back. These glacier bays are the easiest to install for any faucet by far. All you do is take this thing and it threads onto that and you just push it up and it locks it in and everything's connected. Let me show you. That's it. Put the weight right here. And you got your hot and cold. 3/8. Less than 2 minutes to install that. And they're nice looking. Simple as that. Now for the basket strainers. Totally got the ones that I hate. Hate these ones. They're really hard to tighten. These shits right here. Right here. Okay, now. Barely enough space to get on. Barely. It's a close call right there. There we go. Just jump on like that. Okay, the next step is put a 45 on there. Like so. There you go. That's it. I think I put a little too much pitch on this, but that's all right. I got just enough right here. Barely enough. Honestly, this at my house is back pitched and it still drains. So yeah, it's it's really not that big of a deal. But that's how you do it right there. Now let's test the water. Always remember, take off this thing. No leaks on this. It's leaking right there, dude. Don't even tell me. We're gonna have to open up that wall. Cut that out. Maybe the band is just a little loose. Let's try that. Wasn't leaking bad, I just saw a drip though. Please don't leak. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, I've had to do that before where I pipe everything in and then I gotta cut it all out. I did it at a job in North Hollywood. What I did is I just cut it right here and then I was able to take it out pretty easy. Or I could have, I don't remember what I did, but I remember I had to cut it. And then I just put a no-hub band there and I put it all back together. It's a real pain in the butt. But that's it. There you go. So now, as you remember from the other day, Carlos came by, he did all the tile, looks good. I've already tested this drain. This turned out perfect. New supply hose. And then I'm gonna put a shorty in here if it fits, because I'm gonna need to redo the vent. This turned out nice. It's perfect. So now we just gotta pipe in this. These on right there. Had to trim this down a little bit, but I use ABS cutters. You want to see my trick? I know I've showed this in other videos, but if you have finesse like I do, just get it just tight enough. And you got to squeeze it just a little bit here. And then you just score it. Like so. And once you score it all the way around, click one more. I'm embarrassing myself now. There you go. Right like that. And then it just, boom, look at that. You gotta have real finesse to do that though. Otherwise you'll crack it. So just be finessey like I am. The packing nut was just loose. New supply. Remember in the last video when I was in this unit, I used the rubber gaskets instead of putty for that. It's leaking. It's leaking. See it? It's no good, man. Garbage. I'll never use those again. I just wanted to try it. The one downstairs isn't leaking, but see it? It's leaking. It's freaking leaking, dude. All right, let me take this apart and we're gonna use putty. It's no good, man. Let's go, let me get the putty. I'm gonna test the one downstairs too. That settles it, dude. I'll never use this again, ever. I'm gonna double test this one in here because I got the same one on here. That one didn't leak, so. So this will prevent. You really only need to get these hand tight. I don't like how the little gasket here is you can't see it on camera, but it's flipping up. I wonder if this is just a bad one. This came with the faucet, so it's not uncommon that the manufacturer screwed something up on this. But that might be what's going on here. There you go. Nice seal with putty. Come on, man. Please don't leak. I don't think this will leak. I think it'll be fine. Let's wipe everything down. And then let me turn the light on. Okay, here we go. All right, I think we're in the clear now. Yeah, I think that did it. Because it was leaking when I was just running it like that. I was just coming right down the back. I don't feel any now. All right. So there you have it. Don't ever use those gaskets. Can't trust them. I'm going to go check the one downstairs as well, just to be sure, you know. But we're good.